Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix connection to game server lost error in ARC Riders.
Fix 1. Check Arc Raiders server status. Step 1. Go to the official Arc Raiders website or Twitter X page. Step 2. See if the servers are under maintenance or temporarily down. Step 3. If they are, wait until the servers are back online. Fix 2. Restart your router and PC. Step 1. Turn off your router. Step 2. Wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Turn on your router first, then your PC. Step 4. Launch Arc Raiders and check if the error is gone. Fix 3. Use a wired LAN connection. Step 1. Disconnect from Wi-Fi. Step 2. Plug in an Ethernet cable directly into your PC. Step 3. Start the game again. Wired connections are more stable for online play. Fix 4. Disable background apps using internet. Step 1. Press TUSA to open Task Manager. Step 2. Go to the Processes tab. Step 3. In tasks like Steam downloads, browsers, or streaming apps. Step 4. Try reconnecting to the game. Fix 5. Check firewall or antivirus. Step 1. Press Windows R, type Control, and open Control Panel. Step 2. Go to System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Allow an app. Step 3. Make sure Arc Raiders and its launcher, Steam Epic, are allowed through the firewall. Step 4. Temporarily disable antivirus to test connection.